Hi, today I'll be presenting my project Autonomous Multi-Agent Research Report Generator System. Okay, the goal is to improve LLM generate agent research by making process more structured and reliable. Okay, the problem statement is when we are going with a single LLM, it'll hallucinate. Sometimes the structure will be missed and it won't verify the source. So we need something more reliable than a single model doing everything. So the solution which I bring here is I built a multi-agent system where each agent has specific role. Instead of one model, we divide tasks into planning, research, verification, and writing. So this makes the system more modular and more accurate. So I'll show you the graph which I was doing in this project. Okay, so the planner node. So the planner takes a topic and create a structured research plan. So this avoids random generation. And then researcher. So researcher searches the web and collects the data and then store it in the vector database. This build knowledge base using RAG. And then verifier. So verifier, it will check if the collected data is sufficient and relevant. If not, for example, if data was collected and if it was not sufficient and if it was not matching with what user was expecting, again it will send back to the researcher and then this create a self-correction loop. And then writer generates the final report with structure and citation. So this is not just a linear system actually. Yeah, it's kind of feedback driven pipeline. So that improves the quality. Okay, I'll show you a demo. Okay, so here is the portal. So I built this portal with Streamlit, and then backend system and all, it was developed along with LangChain and LangGraph for the graph orchestration and all. Okay, so I'll give some topic here. Okay, and generate report. Okay, it started. So basically it will start with the planner agent. First planner agent will properly create the plan outline, and then it will go to the researcher agent, and which researcher agent will collect all the proper details, and then like I said, we have a verifier. So once that every data was successfully collected, and it will verify the data, and then the data also we have configuration, like how many times it will send back to the researcher. We have that details, and then writer agent will properly write the final summary report. So here is the report which is generated. So here we have option to download also. We can download it as markdown as well as PDF. So that's it. So that's how the overall the system makes research generation more reliable, modular, and production ready using multi-agent design. And the key idea is, instead of making one model do everything, we distributed the intelligence across specialized agents. That's it. Thank you.